Hello guys, I hope you're doing well. In this video, we are going to learn how to save a web page for offline access in your Edge app on Android. Say suppose this is the web page that you want to save as offline. So once you open that page, tap on this three bar options, and if you can scroll this navigation, this menu, you will have this option to download this page command. Just select that, and once you selected it, it will download that page. So you can tap on this detail and it will display this file has been saved in the download. So if you want to open the page, what you can do is you can just tap on these three bar options and go to downloads, and it will display the downloaded page. So let me just close this tab and open the new tab, and let me open this downloaded page. If I go to downloads and if I tap on it, it will open the page in offline. So viewing an offline copy of this page, and even in the address bar you can see it is offline. Now if I refresh the page, it will turn on offline to online. So in this way you can download a page and visit or view it offline when you do not have any network. I hope this helps. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Cheers, have a great day.